You're facing a legal matter, it's stressful enough going through a hard time and then worrying about the legal fees. With the TdD Attorneys at Law, they want you to know they have fair and local rates. And today's Ask the Expert is TdD Attorneys at Law. They're the sponsor of this segment, and joining me is TdD. He's the managing attorney at TdD. Ted, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And today we're actually talking about wills, and wills actually have to go through probates, right?
I think a lot of people don't realize that, but if you just have a will, that means that when you pass away, your heirs are going to have to take that will through probate. A lot of people come to us and say, oh, we have a will, we just want to make the changes or transfer the assets, and we're like, well, that's going to be like about 8 months later.
Wow. And what actually is a probate for those who are watching who might not know?
Probate is the court process where after a person passes away, either with a will or without a will, it goes through a court process where you're putting through a petition, they're making a publication, letting the world know that you passed away so that they can file any claims against you if you owe some money somewhere.
It's a very long process, right?
About 8 months. About 8 months.
And how do people avoid the probates?
With a trust. So either a marital trust, revocable, which can be revocable or irrevocable. That process, if it's done right, avoids the probate process. And that way, as soon as you pass away, someone can just step in as a trustee and sell your house, sell your cars, move your assets, whatever is part of your portfolio.
Avoid that long, lengthy process, right?
Correct.
And speaking of that long, lengthy process, what would happen if you don't do estate planning beforehand?
Then the law decides where your assets go. So
no one wants that.
I wouldn't think so, but a surprising number of people pass the very affordable process of estate planning for the much more expensive process of probate, and then yes, the government or the law is deciding where your assets are going to go and who's going to control them.
Absolutely. So not only do you want to avoid that process, but you actually want to go ahead and take that extra step, create that trust. And what about if your estate plan, is it still intact if you get married or if you get remarried?
So if you have an estate plan, let's say you have a later life marriage and you have an estate plan for your kids, but then you get remarried, a lot of times what would happen is that new spouse could actually elect against your estate plan. So everyone thinks like a prenup or postnuptial agreements are a terrible thing because it says, all kinds of negative things. But if you want to plan for your kids, you actually have to go through that process, or that new spouse can actually elect against your estate plan that gives everything to your kids.
And I had no idea, so this is news to me, right? I didn't know it. I didn't know that. So that is great information.
A lot of people don't realize it until it's too late.
And you don't want to wait until it's too late. And speaking of not waiting until it's too late, your law firm is absolutely making sure that people are set and they're ready to go. If people are interested in making sure that they are ready when the time comes, unfortunately it's a time that no one wants to get to, but planning is very important, and you all are helping take care of people. Where can they go to find you all?
You can go to our website, which is www.tdd, like Tom, David, David, -law.com, or you can actually call me directly, 314-276-1318.
Perfect. And all that information is also right there on your screen, TdD Attorneys at Law. So go ahead, visit their website, tdd-law.com, or you can give them a follow, give Ted a follow on Facebook and on Instagram, TdD, making sure you are set and ready to go in the event that someone in your life has